Recently, the results of the State of Voiceover survey were released, and they were incredibly telling. 48% of respondents said that they are earning less than $8,000 a year in their voiceover business, and another 15% earned between $8,000 and $20,000. So what does that mean? That means that nearly 65% of voice actors are earning less than $20,000 a year. And this survey was conducted among over 1,200 talent. So that's a pretty telling trend when you think about the actual survey results. Nearly 65% of voice actors are earning less than $20,000 a year. It doesn't have to be that way. I don't want it to be that way. I want to help you make a shift in your business that is going to bump that income up, that's going to bump that income way up. Now, here's something else that was really telling from that survey. 47% said that they do not do any direct marketing whatsoever. So they're relying exclusively on casting sites and agents to find voiceover opportunities. And another 59% responded that they send less than one marketing message a day. This is why the income levels are so low. If you're going to grow a voiceover business in 2021 and beyond, you have to learn how to market. And that is where the Voice Over Marketing Playbook comes into play. Let me teach you how to market. And I promise you, it is not as difficult as you think. It's going to take time. It's going to require hard work, but it's not complicated work. I can break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. I can help you turn your website into a tool. I can help you turn email marketing into a tool. I can show you strategies for how to use LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all in an effort to increase your online presence and to increase your opportunities for booking voiceover work. Let's get those numbers higher. If you have your professional demos, if you have a professional home studio, and if you have done your training but you're still not booking, if you're one of those talent who are making under $8,000 a year, chances are the problem is with your marketing, and the good news is that we can fix that. Voice Over Marketing Playbook is a step-by-step, easy-to-follow marketing course that is going to teach you how to find your own leads, build your own client base, and become the consistently working voice actor that you want to be. Playbook is available now through September 16th, 2021. This is the final time that it's going to be out this year. There are two different packages. Playbook Basic is the video course only, the entire video course. Playbook Complete is the entire video course plus 2 hours of private one-on-one coaching so you and I can work together face-to-face on some of the issues that you're having and that you're trying to solve in your voiceover business. So Playbook Basic, $447 US, video course only. Playbook Complete, $597 US, that is the video course and the 2 hours of private coaching. The entire course is a little over 6 hours worth of content. It is instant access, it is lifetime access, and it is learn at your leisure. So you do not have to sign up to attend any classes on any specific dates or anything like that. Once you sign up, you'll get instant access to the entire course. You can watch it as often as you would like, as quickly as you would like, and you can watch it for as long as you like. 6 months down the road, you want to revisit it? Revisit it. A year down the road, you want to revisit it? Revisit it. You're always going to have access as long as I continue to pay my server bills. This is the course that is going to teach you how to become a more confident and effective marketer. We're going to make sure that you're sending more than one email a day, and we are going to get you out of that 48% that's earning under $8,000 or out of that 15% that's earning under $20,000. We're going to grow your business. We're going to grow your income. Complete details on what the course has to offer and what it teaches are available at voiceovermarketingplaybook.com. And again, the deadline to register for the course is September 16th, 2021. It will not be available again this year. voiceovermarketingplaybook.com.